Good morning, everybody. It is 2:30 a.m. in the morning to me, so that's why I'm saying good morning. Anyways, I wanted to wish everyone a happy Mother's Day, and I hope that you're able to spend even FaceTime, some type of video time with your children and grandchildren. I know during this time it's very hard and it's upsetting, but you know what? We'll get through this. All right, few updates. One, I do have lots of video coming out. As you can see, my camera is back here. It's in the process of me making some donuts. So I can't really record anything right now because I want to keep that going as it is. I can't leave the camera in the galley because the galley is a little too warm because the dough is rising at this time. Okay, let's see other updates. I am going to be on this boat till May 27th as it stands right now. It's a possibility I may be going to another boat either before the 27th or right after that. So that means I may not be home till in June. I have to see about the logistics about it. The captain that was just on here prior, he just left day before yesterday. He wants me to come over to his boat. So we'll see what happens, and if I'm able to. If I'm able to, oh my God, this boat is beautiful. It's one of the biggest boats on the river. It has 3 stacks instead of 2. All right, I do have lots of video. I'm going to try and do a premiere for Wednesday, this coming Wednesday, right after Mother's Day. I have a lot of beautiful sunsets, sunrises, moonrises, moon settings. It is gorgeous. I haven't been able to get too much tow work done because we also haven't had really good weather. We're down here in the hole right now, and if anybody wants to know what's in the holes in between Baton Rouge and New Orleans. We're going to be heading northbound here probably either tonight or tomorrow, and I'll be getting on groceries again, so I will do another grocery video as well. This one is even going to be bigger. All right, people. Again, happy Mother's Day to all. Enjoy the next part of this video, and I appreciate every one of you. If you want more of my videos and you like what you have seen so far, click on that subscribe button, click on that bell so you get more notifications to my silly self, and introduce yourself in the comments. I love to talk with everybody. All right, people, you have a great and wonderful Mother's Day, and we'll talk to you soon.